Hi, I'm Dax. So on today's video, we are going to talk about your number one dream destination on your bucket list. Let's go. So whenever I talk to someone about credit card points, I ask them this question. So if you were to go tomorrow to your number one dream destination, where would you go? So my answer to that question, as an example, my wife and I, we love Japan, and we made that happen in 2017. So I can still vividly remember we were in Kyoto on the last week of March during cherry blossom season. I can still remember the sakura or the cherry blossoms. There was this bridge in Kyoto. It's an old bridge. I forgot what it's called, but I can still remember seeing all of these cherry blossoms lined up by the river. And it's such a sight to see. So the photos doesn't do it justice because it's just how great it was being there. So we saw a lot of places, ate a lot of great food. To summarize everything, Japan did not disappoint, and it was what we were expecting, and if not more. So that was in 2017 when we first visited Japan. So ever since then, we try to visit Japan at least once a year, except 2020 or 2021, back when the world closed because of the coronavirus. So in 2023, we visited Japan 4 times on that same year. So why do we love Japan so much? So every time we travel, we have some check boxes, and Japan seems to check all those boxes. And so why do you love Japan? The list or the check boxes I was talking about is that Japan has everything, in my opinion. They have great food, they have great culture, the people are nice, they have epic sceneries or really good sceneries because they have the city, they also have the rural parts. So those are the 4 things that I can think of on top of my head at the moment. We love to watch anime, we love their food, sushi, ramen. So it's one of the reasons why it's the number 1 on our bucket list. If you guys haven't visited Japan, I would highly recommend visiting that amazing country. So that's it for today's video. I'm curious, what is the number 1 bucket list destination on your list? So please let me know down in the comments below, and also make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.